Welcome to the channel. To check the PAN Aadhaar linking status, you can follow these steps. Visit the income tax e-filing website at https://www.incometaxandefiling.gov.in/home. Click on the Link Aadhaar option under the Quick Links section on the left-hand side of the page. Enter your PAN and Aadhaar number in the respective fields. Enter your name as mentioned in the Aadhaar card. Enter the capture code as shown on the screen. Click on the Link Aadhaar button. If your PAN and Aadhaar are already linked, a message will be displayed confirming the same. If your PAN and Aadhaar are not linked, you will be given an option to link them. Alternatively, you can also check the PAN Aadhaar linking status by sending an SMS to 5,67,678 Oregon 56161 from your registered mobile number. The SMS format is UID PAN less than 12-digit Aadhaar 10-digit PAN. If the PAN is linked to Aadhaar, a message will be displayed confirming the same. If you like the video, please subscribe.